The speed of this sound in the dry air at NTP is 332 meter per second. Assuming air is composed of 4 parts of nitrogen and 1 part of oxygen in volume, calculate the velocity of the sound in oxygen under similar conditions. Given density of oxygen and nitrogen at NTP are in the ratio of 16:14 respectively. What the question? The speed of the sound in the dry air at normal temperature and pressure NTP is 332 meter per second. Assuming the air is composed as 4 parts of nitrogen and 1 part of oxygen in volume, calculate the velocity of sound in oxygen under similar conditions. Given density of oxygen and nitrogen at NTP are in the ratio of your 16:14 respectively. So what are the data he has given me, beta? Density of oxygen and density of nitrogen is given as 16:14. So if I'm writing this one here right now, density of your oxygen is equals to 16. Density of your nitrogen is equals to 14. You know that it is a mixture, air is a mixture of gases. So I can calculate the density of your air when 2 or more gases have been present as density of oxygen into volume of your oxygen plus density of your nitrogen into volume of your nitrogen divided by volume of your oxygen plus volume of your nitrogen. And then density is equals to mass by volume. Mass is equals to volume into density. Density is equals to mass by volume. Mass is equals to volume into density plus this is also volume into density because it is a combination of 2 gases divided by volume. And how is volume related to velocity is related to density? Beta? V is equals to under root of your gamma into P divided by your rho. That means velocity is inversely proportional to root of your rho. That is nothing but density. So I can write here velocity of oxygen divided by velocity of your air will be equal to under root of your density of your air divided by density of your oxygen. Clear? So let us try to calculate this value better. E value in those density of your oxygen is given as of your 16. Volume of the oxygen is nothing but of your V. Plus density of nitrogen is how much we got better? Density of nitrogen is of your 14 into volume of your nitrogen is how many parts better? 4 parts. Until this will be 4 into V divided by your this one is nothing but of your V plus of your 4V. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So 16 plus 14 into 4 divided by 5V. Everywhere V will get cancelled. So this V, this V, this V, and this V will get cancelled. 16 plus 14 into 4 divided by 5.
72 by 5.
72 divided by your 5. Got it? So now I know the values of this one. Velocity of oxygen divided by velocity of your air. That is density of air by density of oxygen. That is under root of your density of your air. How much I got? 72 divided by 5 divided by density of oxygen. Density of oxygen and the density of your oxygen is 16. So density of your oxygen already got this will become for me 16. And then that is equals to under root of your this one is 72 divided by 5 into 16. Approximate this will be equal to under root of your 72 by 5. Nana? 5, 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 16, 16. So this will become for me 9 by 10. Outunda? Yeah, that will be your 9 by 10. That means velocity of your oxygen will be equal to under root of your 0.9 times of your velocity of your air. That is equals to under root of your this one is 0.9 into velocity of this one in the air is given as 332 meter per second. So this will be equal to your 332. This one is your into 332. So that will give me the answer. So under root of your 0.9 into your 332. So root of your 0.9 into 10 this point approximately. 332 into that one. ఎంత అవుతుంది? చెప్పాలి. ఎంతనన్నా?
Sir, 99.6, sir.
99.6. ఎట్లా రా? 0.3 కదా చూడమన్నా సార్.
$315.18.
Yes, sir. 314.
315.
రూట్ 0.9 ఎంత అవుతుంది అన్న?
$0.948, sir.
0.948 అంటే 0.9 తీసుకున్నా ఇంటూ 332 అప్రాక్సిమేట్ గా, అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
సో 0.9 ఇంటూ 332
314.96, sir.
314.96 అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ. ఇది ఎంత వచ్చిందన్న? 0.948
Yes.
Yes, sir.
48 into your 332. So that is approximately 34, and I can take it as 315 meter per second approximately.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So got an idea to do how to problems when the mixture of your gases have been given. So see the question: the speed of the sound in the dry air at NTP is 332. Assuming the air is composed of 4 parts of nitrogen and 1 part of oxygen in volume, calculate the velocity of sound in oxygen under similar condition. Given density of oxygen nitrogen and NTP are in the ratio of 16:14. Good model, beta. Chalo. Question number second one. This is also a good question. The equation of the sound wave in the air is given by P is equals to 0.01 Newton per meter square into sine 100 second inverse into T minus 3.0 meter inverse into X. Find the frequency, wavelength, and the speed of the sound wave in the air. Second one, if the equilibrium pressure of air is 1.0 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square, what are the maximum and minimum pressure at a point as the wave passes through that point? Okay. So let us try to first write the equation better. The equation of the sound wave is given by, the equation of your sound wave is given by, yeah. So sound wave equation is given as P is equals to 0.01 into sine. This one is your sine 1000 into T. So this will be equal to your 1000 into T minus of your 3 into your X. Can I write like this? P is equals to 0.01 sine 1000 T minus of your 3 into your X. So this is your pressure. Compare with the standard equation, beta. Compare with standard equation of the pressure. What is the standard equation of a pressure? P is equals to your P naught into your sine of your omega into T minus of your K into your X. P is equals to P naught into sine omega T minus of your K into X. So this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. So on comparing 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, see what I'll be getting there. If I compare 1 and 2, in the place of P naught value is equals to 0.01 Newton per meter square. In the place of omega, I am having 1000 radians per your second. And in the place of K, I'm having the value is equals to 3 meter inverse. Okay, now, so what is the first part of your question is asking is find the frequency, wavelength, and the speed. So how do you calculate the frequency, beta? Frequency will be equal to your F is equals to your, what is the frequency formula? Can anyone tell me? Omega is equals to 2 pi into your N, RF. So N is equals to your omega divided by your 2 pi. isn't it? So that will be equal to your omega value is how much for me? 1000 divided by 2 into your pi. So 2 ones are, this is your 2 500s. So this will become for me 500 by pi hertz. Okay. In the same way, B. What is the next part of your question is asking? Wavelength and speed. How do you calculate the wavelength beta? By the propagation constant value of k is equals to 2 pi by over lambda. So that is equals to 2 pi by wavelength is how much we got right now beta. So he's asking right now to calculate wavelength only na. So wavelength ante I need to go for your from this one lambda. So lambda will be equal to your 2 pi by over k. So that is equals to 2 into pi divided by k. K value how much we got right now here beta? 3. So this will be equal to your 2 pi by 3 meter. That will be the answer. Okay na. Speed v is equals to n into lambda. So n already we got, this is 500 divided by your pi into lambda. Lambda value how much you got? 2 pi divided by your 3. This pi and this pi will get cancelled. So this will become for me 1000 divided by 3 meter per second. Clear? Next one. If the equilibrium pressure of the air is 1.0 into 10 to the power of your 5 Newton per meter square, that means atmospheric pressure. What are the maximum and minimum pressure at a point as the wave passes through the point? Can anyone tell me what will be the answer, beta? What is the maximum pressure, minimum pressure? Cheppan anything. P max will be equal to your how much?
BAK.
BAK లో లేదు కదా ఇది మనకు బల్క్ మాడ్యులస్ దాంట్లో లేవు కదా. BAK మొత్తాన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు నేను? వాడేమిచ్చాడు? The equilibrium pressure is given as of your 1.0 into 10 to the power of your 5. What are the maximum and minimum pressure at a point as the wave passes through that point of the solution? This will represent me beta P naught. See, in the standard equation, this will represent me what beta? P max kada or P naught. This P naught kada. P naught value enta. This one. P maximum will be equal to your P atmospheric pressure plus of your P naught. Atmospheric pressure is how much? 1.01 into 10 to the power of your 5 plus this one is 0.01. So that will be coming out for me how much? You see, that will be the answer. In the same way, P minimum if I am writing. So P minimum will be equal to your P atmospheric pressure minus maximum amplitude of the pressure. So P atmospheric pressure is equals to 1.01 into 10 to the power of your 5 minus atmospheric pressure is 0.01. Okay, na?
Sir,
Is it
once
clear?
again explain.
This formula I told you better. P max is equals to, I don't know where it is there. I'll show you. See, if there are notes into good raskuna indala waves notes here. చూడండి ఇక్కడ maximum pressure at a compression is equals to P naught plus of your delta P max. Delta P max ఎలా రాశాం మనం ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఇక్కడ చూడండి. P is equals to delta P max into cos of omega t minus kx. అవునా కదా? So this is your P delta P max అంటే maximum amplitude. P max is nothing but what beta for your maximum amplitude part of relation. So maximum pressure formula ఏమైపోతుంది? P naught plus of your atmospheric pressure plus of your maximum amplitude of the pressure. అదే విధంగా మినిమం అయితే అట్మాస్ఫియరిక్ ప్రెషర్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ maximum amplitude of your pressure. P naught is nothing but what beta? Atmospheric pressure. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So from this one I have got this relation. Where is this? Gone through it. Yeah. So P max is equals to atmospheric pressure plus maximum amplitude. P minimum is equals to atmospheric pressure minus of your maximum amplitude. Maximum amplitude is given in the problem. That is nothing but comparing with this one. This P naught is your maximum pressure. Or else you can write this one as delta P of max also. Raskochu problem. Is that clear? चलो now see this question. The source of this sound operates at a 2 kilohertz, 20 watt, emitting the sound uniformly in all directions. The speed of the sound in the air is 340 meter per second, and then the density of air is 1.2 kg per meter cube. What is the intensity at a distance of 6.0 meter from the source? What will be the pressure amplitude at that point? What will be the displacement amplitude at this point? Very good question, beta. The source of sound is operating at your 2 kilohertz and 20 watts is emitting the sound uniformly in all directions. The speed of the sound in air is 340 meter per second and density of air is 1.2 kg per meter cube. What is the intensity at a distance 6 meter from the sound waves particulation? So I told you this formulas also. Intensity is given by the formula. Intensity is equals to your power by your area. Okay. For a pointer source, I can write power as of your area will be written as of your 4 pi into your r square. Okay, now. So a source of the sound is operating at 22 kilohertz, 20 watt, emitting sound uniformly in all directions. That means if this is your source of sound, it is producing the sound in all the directions like this. Okay, that means for the point source, it is forming like a sphere right now. Sound is going in all the 3D dimensions, means area of this one will be equal to how much? 4 pi into your r square. Now what is given for me? Power is given as of your 20 watt because P represents me what is unit of your power. So power is given as of your 20 watt particulation, emitting the sound wave in all directions. The speed of the sound in air is 340 and density of air is this much. What is the intensity? The distance 6 meters antunnadu. Ante R value ichadu. So intensity will be equal to your power is nothing but 20 divided by your 4 into pi. Distance is nothing but of your 6 square. So you can simplify this one, you'll get the intensity of that one. Is it clear? I'm leaving the calculation for you. You please try to do it on your own. Okay, now this is your A. The next one is your B. What will be the pressure amplitude at that point? What is the pressure amplitude at that point? Pressure amplitude and intensity formula also told you problem beta. Intensity will be equal to your pressure amplitude, that is nothing but P naught square divided by 2 rho into V. ఈ formula derive చేసాం గుర్తుందా? Intensity is equals to your P naught square divided by 2 rho into V. Rho no P naught is nothing but of your maximum pressure amplitude beta. This P naught is known as of your pressure amplitude. Pressure amplitude. Pressure amplitude. So I need to calculate the value. So this will become for me 2 rho V into your I is equals to your P naught square. That means I need to calculate the pressure amplitude. Kabatti P naught will be equal to your under root of your 2 rho V into your I. So that is equals to under root of your 2 into rho value is given. How much for me the problem you see beta? Operating density of air is 1.2. So this will be equal to your 1.2 into V. V is nothing but velocity. Velocity is given how much for me the problem beta? It is moving with 340 meter per second. So this will be equal to 340 into your intensity. Whatever the intensity you get here beta, that intensity value you substitute here, you'll get the answer for this. Chestara?
Yes, sir.
Pressure amplitude formula in చెప్పాను. Pressure amplitude is also written as of your BA into your K back. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Number C. Pressure amplitude. What will be the displacement amplitude at this point? What do you mean by the displacement amplitude at this point for definitions? I mean to write to calculate the displacement in terms of your pressure and in terms of your intensity part definition. So displacement amplitude and sir. Source of sound operating at 2 kilohertz. So he has given for me what beta frequency. Frequency is given how much for me? 2 kilohertz. That means 2 into 10 to the power of 3. And speed of sound density, intensity అయిపోయింది. What is the pressure amplitude అయిపోయింది. Displacement of the amplitude at this point. Okay. Number C. Pressure amplitude formula ఏందన్నా? P naught is equals to B into your amplitude is represented by your A, or I can write that one as of your K into your S naught. S naught is nothing but equal to your A. Okay, na? S naught is nothing but equal to your A part of relation. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
A is nothing but what beta? Amplitude. ఇక్కడ ఏరియా మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఏతో రాశాను కాబట్టి నేను ఎస్ తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏరియా. సో ఏరియా is also represented by S naught. I told you in some cases. I hope you remember that one. So B naught is equals to BK into your S. Bulk modulus కూడా ఇవ్వలేదు. Can I write the bulk modulus in terms of your density beta? We know the formula for the sound. V is equals to under root of your B by your rho. That means from this one I can write V square is equals to your B by your rho. So bulk modulus will become for me V square into rho. Velocity is known for me, density is also known for me. That will be okay. K value already we know, K value is equals to 2 pi by your lambda. Lambda wavelength is also not given, so I can calculate in terms of frequency, that is equals to 2 pi by lambda is equals to how much beta? V is equals to n into lambda, so lambda is equals to V by your n. So lambda is equals to V divided by n pi కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. So that will become for me 2 pi n into pi V particulation. వచ్చింది అది అందరికి? So therefore now the pressure amplitude will become for me P naught is equals to bulk modulus will become for me V square into rho into K value will become for me 2 pi into your frequency divided by velocity into your S naught. S naught is nothing but of your amplitude of the displacement. Okay, amplitude of your displacement. So I'm writing here, see, S naught is equals to your displacement amplitude. Yeah, capital A to put problem if you are not going with the confusion. So amplitude will be equal to your S naught is equals to, this will become for me P naught divided this one with EV square la EV ikkada cancel అయిపోతుంది. So this will be equal to P naught divided by, this will become for me 2 pi into your frequency, that is nothing but n into this velocity V into your rho as it is. So this will be the displacement formula in terms of your given data. Clear? ఇంత derive చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేకుండే, if I would have been remembered the formula, isn't it? Let me write the data. S naught is equals to P naught. Pressure amplitude is given how much for me beta in the problem? Pressure amplitude is
We calculated, no sir.
we calculate data. Okay, P naught మనం calculate చేశాము. Yeah, P naught calculate చేశాము. We have not written the answer for that one. So I hope now you will got an idea, isn't it? P naught ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి, సో వచ్చిన వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ వేసేసుకోండి. Okay, so that value has been substituted there, divided by your, this one is your 2 pi, frequency is given as 2 kilohertz. That means that will become for me 2000 for me into density, velocity is given for me how much beta? 340 into your density is given as 1.2. You calculate it, that will give me the displacement. Okay, లేకపోతే మనకి ఇంటెన్సిటీలో కూడా ఫార్ములా ఉంది, మీకు గుర్తుందో లేదో, ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఫార్ములా కూడా డిరైవ్ చేసాం మనము. ఇంటెన్సిటీ is equals to your 2 pi square into displacement amplitude square into frequency square rho into V. ఈ ఫార్ములా డిరైవ్ చేసాం మనము. S naught is equals to your A. ఈ ఫార్ములా డిరైవ్ చేసాం చూడండి. దీంట్లో నుంచి కూడా నేను డైరెక్ట్ S naught వాల్యూ తీసుకోవచ్చు. S naught is equals to under root of your, this will be your intensity divided by your, this one is your 2 pi square into frequency. Frequency is nothing but of your F square. I told you frequency can be written as of your N or F, anything, into your density rho into your V. So this also will give me the same answer. Intensity already we have started calculated in the initial condition. So whatever the value of intensity you might have been got there, you substitute there, that will give me the value of your displacement amplitude. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Is it clear? అర్థమైంది అందరికీ? మరోసారి చెప్పనా? ఓన్లీ ఫార్ములా డెరైవేషన్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవడమే నాన్న, ఇంకేం లేదు అక్కడ. చలో ఆడు కంటిన్యూస్ బాగా అడగారు కాకుండా రఘు నాకే కాదు నాకు రఘు సోజం. Example number 17. A cylindrical metal tube has a length of 50 centimeter and is open at both the ends. Find the frequency between 1000 hertz and 2000 hertz at which the air column in the tube can resonate. Speed of the sound in the air is 340 meter per second. And cylindrical metal tube has a length of how much beta? 50 centimeter and is open at both the ends. When it is open at the both the ends, what is the frequency, beta? Open organ pipe, closed organ pipe. Find the frequency between the 1000 hertz and 2000 hertz at which the air column is in the tube can resonate. Speed of the sound in the air is equals to 340 meter per second. Now see here, this one number A. When the tube is open at both the ends.
V by 12.
Yeah, so this one is your tube. At the center will get a node. This will be your antinode like this, and this will be your antinode like this. So this will be the position of antinode. This will be the node, and this will be your node, antinode, sorry. So fundamental frequency formula is how much, beta? N is equals to your V by your 2 into your L. Yesterday I told you this formula. Oh, no? So velocity is given how much for me? 340 divided by 2 into length of the tube is given how much for me, beta? Has a 50 centimeters. That means convert into meters. That will become for me 0.5. That means this one and this one will get cancelled. So frequency will become for me 340 hertz. Got it? Frequency is equals to 340 hertz. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So possible frequency in open pipe will be equal to in what ratio, beta? What are the possible frequencies?
1:2:3.
So possible frequencies of your open pipe will be equal to n times of f, I can write,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Where n is equal to how much for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, go on like that. So if I take n is equals to 1, so the first one, how much I'm getting? 340. If I take 2, that will become for me how much?
680.
680.
680. Then if I take 3 into 340, that will give me how much?
1020.
Yeah. Then fourth one, 4 into your 340,
1360.
1360. The next one, if I take 5, if I take 6, if I take 7, go on like that one. So if I take 5 now, 5 into 340,
1700.
1700. Then if I take 6,
2040.
2040. Okay. Question name adiyadu. Find the frequencies between 1000 hertz and 2000 hertz. So between 1000 hertz and 2000 hertz, how many? This is in 1000, beta. This is in 1000 hertz. So 1000 hertz law 1, 2, 3, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 are possible. This is more than 2000, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Between 1000, that means between 1000 and 2000 means how many frequencies are possible, beta?
3.
3 frequencies are possible. I'll answer Rayal. Ardhamainda? Options
Yes,
will
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how many frequencies are possible there? 3 frequencies are possible between 1000 and your 2000. Okay. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Second one. Find the greatest length of the organ pipe open at both the ends that will have its fundamental frequency in the normal hearing range of 20 to your 20,000 hertz. Speed of the sound in the air is 340 meter per second. Fundamental frequency range is how much for me? Minimum frequency which a human being can hear is 20 and maximum which he can tolerate is 20,000 hertz. This is the range of your normal hearing, beta. Minimum 20. దీనికంటే తక్కువ మాట్లాడితే మనకు వినిపించదు and 20,000 కంటే ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే మనం టాలరేట్ చేయలేము. Okay, so find the greatest length of an organ pipe open at both the ends that will have its fundamental frequency in the normal hearing range of 20 to your 20,000 hertz. Speed of the sound in the air is your 340 meter per second. Try చేస్తారా? What type of an organ pipe it is, beta? Open at both the ends kabatti open organ pipe. It is your open organ pipe. So frequency will be equal to N is equals to V by your 2 into your L. So length of this one will be equal to how much, beta? Length will be maximum. See here, length will be maximum if the frequency is minimum. Relation between frequency and length if I'm seeing right now. So I can write here L will be maximum. L will be maximum if frequency, that means N, if N is minimum. Antena? Because 2 is a constant, velocity of sound is also constant. So I can write here L max will be equal to your, this will become for me V by your 2 into your N. So that is equals to V is how much for me? 340 divided by 2 into frequency. How much we got right now, beta? So frequency is given how much for me in the problem. Frequency, the speed of the sound is your 340. Find the greatest length of an organ pipe. Minimum ఎంత తీసుకుందాం మనం 20 తీసుకుందామా, because we need to write the range between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So if I'm taking the maximum length అంటే 22 లో దాంట్లో ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి, length should be maximum if frequency is minimum. So minimum frequency is nothing but 20. So this one and this one is gone right now for this one. So this is how much I'm getting, 34 divided by your 4. And this will become for me 4 8 is of 4 5 4 6. It is 8.5. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
8.4 meters. Why we are not taking 20,000 beta? 20,000 is maximum frequency. 20 is the minimum frequency, isn't it? So minimum the frequency, maximum will be the length. So that is the reason I have taken the frequency there as of you at 20. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Question number C. Two successive resonance frequencies in an open organ pipe are 1944 hertz and 2592 hertz. Find the length of the tube. The speed of the sound in the air is 332 meter per second. See here. Two successive resonance frequencies in an open organ pipe are 1944 hertz and 2592 hertz. Find the length of the tube. The speed of the sound in the air is 324 meter per second. So difference between the successive frequency of an open or closed organ pipe is how much better? మనం మాట్లాడుతుంది ఓపెన్ ఆర్గాన్ పైప్ కదా. సో ఫర్ an open organ pipe the frequency is nothing but V by your 2L. అవునా? So if I write the formula for this one, difference in the frequencies. What is the difference in the frequencies is given? 1944 and 2592. అంటే 2592 minus of your 1944 will be equal to your, this will become for me V by 2L. అంతే కదా. Delta N will be equal to V by 2L, isn't it? So 2592 minus 1944 ఎంత అవుతుంది అన్నది?
648, sir.
648, that is equals to V by 2 into your L. V value is given how much for me? 324 divided by 2 into your L. That means L will become for me how much? L is equals to 324 divided by your 2 into your 648. That will become how much? 321s, 322s. And 1 by 2 into 2, that will become for me 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 meters or it is 0.25 meters. So that must be the length of the tube. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Delta N is equals to V by 2L. This is the length of the tube. So length of the tube calculation, because we got the frequencies, we got the velocity. So L will be equal to this one. That is 1
Sir,
by 4.
V is 324, sir.
324 is chadda.
Oh, okay, sir.
Speed of the sound in air is 324 meter per second. Okay. Sure. Next question. This is also a very good question, beta. The air column in a pipe closed at one end is made to vibrate in its second overtone by a tuning fork of frequency 440 hertz. The speed of the sound in air is 330 meter per second. End correction can be neglected. Let P0 denote the mean pressure at a point in the pipe, and delta P0 represents the maximum amplitude of the pressure variation. Find the length of the air column. Find the length of the air column. So what is the condition, చూడండి? The air column in a pipe is being closed at one end. That means closed organ pipe, and is made to vibrate in its second overtone. Second overtone ante which frequency beta?
N2. Third frequency.
Closed organ pipe ఇది, open organ pipe కాదు. Closed organ pipe are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Closed organ pipe are in the ratio of 1:3:5 కదా.
Second frequency.
If it is 1:3:5, this will be zero overtone. This will be first overtone. This will be second overtone. Second overtone frequency ఎంత అవుతుంది? Fifth harmonic. గుర్తొచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Because they are in the ratio of 1:3 కదా, closed organ pipe. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So the frequency of second overtone will be equal to how much per meter? Frequency of second overtone will be equal to 2 into your K plus of your 1 into this is V by your 4 into your L formula. So K is how much for me beta? 2. And this will become for me 2 into 2 plus of your 1 into V by your 4 into your L. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 5 into V by 4 into your L. So this will be equal to how much beta? Fifth overtone, isn't it? So what I'm going to do, the air column in a pipe closed at one end is made to vibrate in a second overtone by tuning fork of frequency how much? 440. And a frequency is given for me as 440. That is equals to 5 into V divided by 4 into your L. Velocity kuda ichchada manaku. Is into speed of the sound in air is 330. Okay, speed is also given for me. And this will become for me 5 into your 330 divided by your 4 into your L. So can I calculate the value of your L right now from this one beta? So L value will become how much for me? L is equals to 5 into 330 divided by your 4 into your 440. Choppan ఎంత వస్తుంది?
Zero 0.93, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 0.93.
0.93. Okay, na? Meters. అంటే అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 1 మీటర్ అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
క్యాల్కులేషన్ నేను ఇకే విడిచిపెట్టాను, నేను చేయడం లేదు. 5 into 33 divided by 4 into 44. అంతే కదా? So this will be 3, this will be your 4. 5 3 is 15. 15 by 4 into 4 16. అంతే కదా? 15 by 16. 15 by 16 అంటే yeah, approximately that much. 0.93 meters. 16 by 3 meters. Okay, chalo. Next one. Number B in this one. What is the amplitude of the pressure variation at the middle of the column? Okay. See, in terms of pressure, the position of the displacement node, there is a pressure node and as well as of a vice versa. Where will be the position of the displacement beta? In terms of your pressure amplitude also, I told you the basic formula, isn't it? So wave along the length of the column at x is equal to 0 and open end part of relation will be having the pressure antinodes. So diagram pictures and you'll get a clarity. For closed organ pipe, for closed organ pipe at your antinode we are having pressure node beta. And in the open organ pipe, we are having the pressure antinode at your pressure node is being present at your open end. Okay, na? Isn't it? So at your displacement node, we are getting the pressure. Ana? So displacement antinode kada, we are getting the pressure node. In terms of displacement raste, ikkada displacement antinode, but pressure will be your pressure node. You're talking about which organ pipe beta? Is it closed organ pipe or open organ pipe? The is an air column in a pipe closed at one end. Ante kada? Closed at one end ante this will be this one. This one only. Closed at one end ante this one. So at the displacement antinode, we are getting a pressure node. We are getting a pressure node. That means at x is equals to 0. At x is equals to 0, we are getting a pressure antinode. See, displacement node kada, we are getting the pressure antinode. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't that means the pressure variation of the pressure amplitude in the standing wave is along the length of the column with x is equals to 0 at its open end part of relation. At open end, if I am taking, we are getting pressure node. And at the closed end, we are getting the pressure and T naught part of relation. So let us try to go to the question. What is the question is telling is, air column of a pipe is open at one end and is made to vibrate in its second overtone of a tuning fork. The speed is given. P naught denotes the mean pressure at any point in the pipe, and delta P is the maximum amplitude of the pressure variation. What is the amplitude of the pressure variation at the middle of the column? At the middle of the column. At the middle of the column, we need to calculate that one. So let me see what I can write here. Pressure formula in the P is equals to your delta into P naught into your sine of your K into your X. Oh no, there is no phase difference because we are starting from an origin కాబట్టి. So P is equals to delta into P naught into sine Kx రాయొచ్చు and cos కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు, problem లేదు. So that is equals to your delta into P naught into your sine. K value will be equal to how much better? 2 pi by lambda at a certain position, that is nothing but equal to your X. For second overtone, length will be equal to how much better? 5L divided by your 5 by 4 into your lambda. Second overtone ki చూడండి, second overtone ki length will be equal to how much? First mode ఇదేమో సారీ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, second mode ante first overtone, third mode ante second overtone. So for the third mode, we are getting the second overtone. For second overtone, length will be equal to how much better? 5 lambda by your 4. So that's the value I'm using right now. This one will be equal to your 5 lambda by your 4 part of relation for the second overtone. So at middle of the pipe, what will be the length beta? At middle of pipe means X is equals to your L by 2. L is the length of the pipe. So that is equals to L value I got right now, 5 lambda divided by 4 into 2. That means this will become for me 5 lambda divided by your 8. So this is the middle of the pipe position X. So I can calculate the pressure amplitude right now. So P will be equal to how much for me? P is equals to delta into P naught into sine. This one is your 2 pi by your lambda into your X. X value is your 5 lambda divided by your 8. This lambda will get cancelled. So this will be equal to your delta P naught into your sine. This will become for me 2 ones, this will become for me 2 fours, and this will become for me 5 pi divided by your 4. Antena 5 pi divided by 4 ante delta into P naught into your sine. This will be equal to your pi plus pi by 4 kada. So that will be equal to sine 180 plus of your theta. That will become for me minus of your delta P naught into your sine pi by 4. So that will be equal to your minus of your delta into P naught sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this will be the answer. So P will be equal to your this much. So magnitude of this pressure amplitude will be equal to delta into P naught divided by your root 2. So this is your answer. Okay. మరోసారి చూడండి, P is equals to delta P naught into sine kx. K value is 2 pi by lambda into X. For second overtone, length is 5 lambda by 4. So at middle of the pipe is asking. So X is equals to lambda by 2. I substituted the value of your L. Simplifying it, we are getting X. X is equals to 5 lambda divided by your X. 5 lambda by your 8. So P is equals to delta P naught into sine 2 pi by lambda into 5 pi by your. Simplify it, we'll get the answer for that. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Diagram explain చేయనా కొంచెం నేను, క్లారిటీ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఇంకా. I'll explain you with the diagram చూడండి. Pressure amplitude 7 ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తాం అనేది. This one is the length of the tube beta. So if I'm writing the displacement wave, and here I'm writing the pressure wave. I already చెప్పాను ఇది. This is the point which has been open. At the point of your open, we get a 90 knot. So total distance will be how many harmonics right now in this one beta? Third harmonic will be equal to your how much for me? So how many verbs will be getting right now? Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. That means if I'm taking this one as of your central point like this, so a wave is been starting from here like this, it will go for this one, and a wave will go like this from here. So this is a point of your node. Then again, this will meet somewhere here. Again, this will meet somewhere here right now. Again, this will meet somewhere here right now. So this wave will be meeting right now here. This will be coming like this, and this will be the node. Oh, no? So this will be your node. This will be your node, and this one is also node. That means the distance from here to here, this will become for me how much? Lambda by 4. Okay, this is your x is equals to 0 నుంచి వెళ్తున్నాను. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు this distance will become for me lambda by 2. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఈ distance will become how much for me beta? Node నుంచి this one, sorry. This node to this node.
Lambda by 2.
This one will be your lambda by 2. And this node to this node, this will be equal to your lambda by 2. సరిపోయిందా? And this is it, x is equals to L. X is equals 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి x is equals to L వరకు వస్తుంది. This is the length of the pipe. Clear? అదే ప్రెషర్ యాంటీ నోడ్ కనుక డ్రా చేసాం అనుకోండి, దీనికి ఏమవ్వాలన్నా యాంటీ నోడ్ కాడ ఏమవ్వాలి, మనకు నోడ్ రావాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ నోడ్ విల్ బి ఫార్మ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ నోడ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం రావాలా? డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ రావాలి. Okay, so this will be equal to x is equals to 0 నుంచి this was going from x is equals to L in the open organ pipe. This will be the node, this will be the node, this will be the node. Okay na? అర్థమైందా? Displacement wave pattern and pressure wave pattern.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Sure. Next question ఏమన్నా చూడండి. What are the maximum and minimum pressure at the open end of the pipe? Okay. At the open end of the pipe అంటే x is equals to ఎంత నాన్న? 0. అంతే కదా? Open organ pipe. So at open end అంటే x is equals to 0. అంటే p ఎంత అవుతుందన్న? 0. So delta p naught will become how much for me? But amplitude of that one. So delta p naught is also becoming for me 0. That means p max will be equal to your p minima. That is nothing but equal to atmospheric pressure plus or minus of your, this one is 0. That means that will be equal to your atmospheric pressure. That is equals to your atmospheric pressure. Ante kada? At x equals 0, p value 0 kabatti maximum amplitude of the pressure is also becoming 0. So p max will or p minima will be equal to what for me? Atmospheric pressure only. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next one. What are the maximum and minimum pressure at the closed end of the pipe? At the closed end of the pipe, I need to calculate the value of your maximum and the minimum pressure at the closed end of your pipe. So at the closed end of the pipe ante ikkada. This is the closed end of the pipe. At closed end, x value enta nana? At closed end, x value is equal to how much?
5 lambda.
5 lambda by 4 kada, sorry. 5 lambda divided by 4. అవునా కదా? So p will become how much for me? Delta p naught into sine. This one is nothing but of your 2 pi by lambda into x. X value is 5 lambda divided by 4. And this will be coming for me delta p naught into your sine. This will become for me 5 pi divided by 2. అంటే ఇది ఎంత అవుతుందన్న? Delta p naught is sine 5 pi by 4.
Four pi plus pi by 2 it will be, no sir.
ఏనా?
4 pi plus pi by 2, then it will be 2 pi plus pi by 2. We can cancel 2 pi. We'll get sine pi by 2. No sir.
Sine pi by 2. అదే sine pi by 2 రాసాం కదా? Sine 5 pi by 2. అంతేనా?
Yes sir.
Sine pi by 2 అంటే ఇది ఎంత? Sin pi by 2 value is how much?
1.
1 kada. So this value will become how much for me? Delta P naught. Ano kada. So therefore P max will be equal to how much beta? P atmospheric pressure plus of your delta into P naught. Nana మీ మెటీరియల్ P atmospheric pressure ని కూడా వాడు P naught రాసుకుంటాడు. సో డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ విత్ ద మాక్సిమం ఆంప్లిట్యూడ్ బెటా. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ది రాసేది మనం P naught రాసినా కూడా దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ P naught plus delta P naught and raste, it should be understood that this is your open atmospheric pressure and this is the maximum amplitude of that one. So P max will be equal to your atmospheric pressure plus of your pressure amplitude. The same way minimum value will be equal to how much beta? P minimum will be equal to your atmospheric pressure minus of your delta into P naught. Or else I can write this one as of your P naught minus of your delta into P naught. That will be one and the same. Okay now? Sure. So maximum pressure will be equal to this much because we got a pressure P is equal to delta into P naught. Atmospheric pressure plus pressure. Pressure value is delta P naught kabatti a value rastunam. So this is the maximum, this is the minimum. Clear? So remaining questions, you try to do it out better in your study hours. If you are not getting, you let me know, I'll try to help you out. Today also I'll send you another assignments related to this topic. You start doing that one also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure. Take care, beta. Bye.